Hello guys, welcome back to Foodie Hangout. Today we are going to make a refreshing and delicious summer treat that you're absolutely going to love. Muskmelons are one of the best fruits we get during the summer. As we all know, making muskmelon juice is pretty simple and straightforward. But today, instead of the regular juice, I'm going to turn this fruit into something little more exciting, a special falooda. So let's get started and make this delicious muskmelon falooda. For the falooda, first I am going to soak sabja seeds, that is the basil seeds. To a cup, add 1 teaspoon of basil seeds. Pour enough water and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes now. If you don't have sabja seeds, you can also use chia seeds instead. For this recipe, I have taken one large muskmelon. Cut the muskmelon into half. Then cut it into pieces. Now remove all the seeds. Depending on the quantity of juice you would like to make, you can use 1 or 2 melons. Now remove the skin. Then chop it into pieces and keep this aside. Just make sure that the melons are nice and ripe. A good indication that the melons are ripe is to see when you smell them. A very sweet and pleasant fragrance of the muskmelons. So that's a nice indication that the melons is ripe. Let's transfer the chopped muskmelon to a mixer jar. Here I am using a juice jar, but you can also use a normal mixer jar. Add about 2 teaspoons of sugar now. This is optional. Next add a few cubes of ice and little water. Then grind everything to a nice fine puree. Once done, keep this aside. So now we can see the basil seeds, that is the sabja seeds, have soaked up all the water and they are nice and plump. And I have some cooked save, that is the vermicelli for the falooda. Now let's start assembling the drink. To a nice tall glass, add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of sabja seeds. Next add 2 teaspoons of the save, that is the vermicelli. Now pour the prepared muskmelon juice. Now add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. I am using vanilla ice cream here, but you can use any ice cream of your choice to make this simple yet refreshing falooda. Garnish it with some chopped nuts. I am using pistachios and almonds. You can garnish it with any nuts of your choice. And add a few small muskmelon pieces on top. You can also place a cherry on top if you like. So you can see this is a very simple and refreshing drink that you can enjoy during the summer. Instead of having plain muskmelon juice, this is something different that you can try at home and enjoy with your family. Whether you are a fan of falooda or not, you must try this muskmelon falooda. It's perfect for summer, and if you have kids at home, they're absolutely going to love it. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook.